guys, what's up? I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just got this new fish drops reel that I have not opened yet. It's totally new. It's Monday. I literally ordered it on Amazon and it came early, so I'm pretty excited. And as you can see, the packaging is pretty awesome. It says Fish Drops, the most excellent and luxurious bait casting reel. Now let's get right into this, guys. So, I'm trying to open this, and alright guys, I'm pretty excited. Pretty darn excited. It looks like we have some fishing instructions right here. And here's the reel, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Now, here's the reel right here. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. This is really nice, guys. Really nice reel. Now, it also comes with this little, I don't know, wow. Yeah. Wow. Just dropped that on the floor. Like, I guess you can put it in there. Oh my gosh, guys. Just look at this reel. Take a look at that reel. That is really smooth, guys. That is definitely really awesome. This is, I think, my first reel that's ever come in the mail. I really like this chrome design right here. Like the orange, it's awesome. It's super, super delicate, guys. It has the most of the features. It has brakes, everything that a bait casting reel would have, but much better. I don't want to get all my fingerprints on this. That is a beautiful reel. Then the packaging also comes with, I don't know, what is this? Some more, I don't know, it's like if you take it apart, that's what it looks like. So, pretty darn good. I mean, this is a beautiful reel, guys. I mean, I'm talking really smooth. Look how smooth that is. I'm going to definitely add this to my Falcon rod. It's a new Falcon rod. There's the button. There's the little pack, I don't know, bag. You can put it in when it's not on a reel. Just put it in there. And it can like clean it off. I don't know. I'm not going to use it. It's going to be on a rod. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm super excited. Yeah, as always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please put a like on this video. If you're not subscribing already, I suggest to subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.